Tristan Rêveur is the artist whom Henry emulates in the brilliant psychological thriller Stay. Tristan Reveur killed himself on his 21st birthday and burned all of his art before he did. Apparently, no one in the present day has actually seen his work. In the nightmarish film Stay, Henry is a depressed artist student who admires Tristan Reveur and plans to commit suicide as well on his 21st birthday, just 3 days away. Sam, his psychiatrist, literally races to save him from doing this. We are far from perfect, and we aren't always successful in our efforts. In a real way, then, imperfection and failure are very much a part of our humanity. This is tragic. This is poetic. This is art. You see, now I'm really curious about Tristan Reveur. I do what any of us would do. I Google him. I find this documentary which recounts his life, art, and relationships by writer and director Gina Haraszti. She writes, Tristan Reveur is the greatest artist of the 20th century. What is the reason you haven't heard of him? It must be that he is imaginary. He and his whole body of work was created in cooperation between strangers on the internet. The film erects a monument to his life while investigating the questions of make-believe in online communities. On Yahoo Answers, someone writes, Henry is obsessed with a fake artist by the name of Tristan Reveur, Reveur being French for dreamer. So in reality, there is no artist by the name of Tristan Reveur. Still, I'm really curious about Tristan Reveur. Is he really a fictitious character? I find another video on YouTube, kind of a haunting, melodic homage to his life and death. Moreover, I find this art very well could be the kind of work we would expect Tristan Reveur to have created. Perhaps he didn't burn all of his artwork. There is this Facebook profile on Tristan Reveur. So, once again I ask, is he fictitious or for real? The rain falls on Tristan Reveur. It never stops to fall till he is made entirely of the rain. His œuvre banks against the wind. It whips rain sharp as razors, so inviolably elegant. Tristan Reveur creates himself, then takes it piece by piece to fire, till everywhere is rain of ash. There is creation at the root. It always rises from the earth, and death returns it all as rain. For rain is irony defined, suicide not the ultimate.